So recently, I was going through one of my older sketchbooks and I found this page that I did. On this page, I was practicing facial proportions and expressions, and all of these were timed practices. I believe it was around 30 seconds. So that's why all of these are quite rough, because I was just mainly focusing on getting the right things in the right places. But looking at it now, considering it's been a few months and I would hope I've gotten better, I decided that I would go back into it to try and add some detail and some character. For some of them I quite liked. I feel as though I did add a decent amount of character without remembering what the actual reference was. Whereas there were others that I wasn't really as happy about. I still do have a lot of work to do in terms of like my facial anatomy and making my drawings a bit more believable. But that's gonna come with time and I'm gonna keep working on that. If you do have any tips, I would highly appreciate it if you would leave it in the comments. Other than that, I hope you have a good rest of your day. Peace.